My name is Daniel Grantham. I've been with the ROE Dental Laboratory for almost 18 years. I've been running the full arch department for the past 2 years, and we have something very exciting to present to you. I come from a family of very artistic people, from my aunts, my mom, my brother. I went to Columbus College of Art and Design, graduated with a Bachelor of Fine Arts, emphasis in wood sculpture, stone sculpture, and painting. I worked as a professional artist for 12 years. ROE Dental Lab put an advertisement out pretty much calling for artists. So that piqued a lot of interest in me. The balance of a job and doing artwork was kind of a hard balance for an artist trying to get moving in that career. And it was a pretty fast progress of learning, tooth anatomy, learning how to do diagnostic wax-ups, really developing a love for this field. A lot of my artwork is not just based on form, it's much more based on color of wood, natural colors of wood, and dealing with crowns and full arch cases and gingiva and shade and anatomy. It lends itself to what I went to art school for. So when we have a new person come in that we're training in our department, we don't just have them start carving right away. We want them to really understand the morphology behind a tooth, how it grows. When we are pretty much apprenticing a person, you are teaching them to really deeply investigate it, because that's the way that we can make the most realistic restorations, is by hiding them. The biggest challenge that I was asked to take care of is to prepare for growth. And to do that, we needed to get ownership from the people that are on the team itself. We didn't want somebody that's just coming in and punching a clock. We wanted them to feel passionate about what they did. And I had read a book called This Is Your Ship. It's a famous admiral who took over a battleship that had the aircraft carrier that had the worst reputation in the Navy, so he decided to teach everybody how to do everything on the ship itself. If you put the ownership on that person, if you see it as their company, that's what I try to tell them. I said, I'm going to give you what you need. There are certain rules, and you're going to be as successful as you want to be. So we're a very busy lab. We work internationally. We have 11 people on our team carving these bridges, staining them, finishing them. And it's a very successful product, and we've made a lot of happy patients, and we're growing a very strong reputation. We wanted to see how far we could push the already great product that we're doing, and to almost exaggerate it, to really make a line that's so special that it takes the work that's already good and just seeing how far we can take it. So the challenge was in our department to see how far we could take the materials, to see how far, not necessarily push our people, but how much we could challenge them and get them invested in what they did. So we really, tried to let them have fun with it, to loosen up a little bit. Most people create best when they are having fun, when they're not being dictated. We're not saying, do this. So when we started this new line, we just wanted to start from the ground up. What are the colors that we're using normally in the bridges that we do day to day? How can we improve those? Can we bring aspects of fine art into it, and exaggerated color and complementary colors, purples and yellows and oranges and blues together, how that's gonna actually affect and change the tissue. So when we finished the samples, the final, and when they finally saw what they did, they really felt like they were part of something special. They have ownership of it, and they're very proud of the work that they do. I'm very proud of them. This boutique line, it is where fine art meets dentistry. That's the emphasis on it. Product that you're going to be getting, but it's a commission piece. We're excited about it. It's going to be a game changer as far as what we can do and how far we can push the envelope with these restorations.